What's going on, beautiful peoples, wanderers, travelers alike? I'm here in downtown Los Angeles at the Intercontinental Hotel. This right here is going to be a little walkthrough, talk through of the 1-bedroom king suite. Really sweet. You got some nice little features. So without further ado, this is actually going to be a room 5828. It's a little noisy out in the hallway, so we're going to start right here in inside the suite itself. So as soon as you come into the door here, you got your nice size closet, good enough for some storage. You got some drawer space right here as well. Right, then that's obviously the front door. Then right here, as soon as you come in, you actually have your restroom. Your regular toilet, nothing fancy in here. Toilet, mirror, sink, trash can, and Kleenex. Obviously, some soap, some lotion. All right. So here's going to be the view of the actual suite right here. All right, then you have like a little wet bar over here. You can have like a little Keurig, some tea, cup glasses. This plastic? No sir, this is Intercontinental. That's all glass. All right. This little bottle opener. Get some complimentary Intercontinental label water here. You have a small fridge, but this isn't a fridge for your use. It is a fridge for storage. Everything in here that you use, you will be purchasing. And it's censored, so I figure if you even lift it, it's definitely gonna charge you. Got some extra water in there and got the little FIFA Coca-Cola. And some candies up there too. Then right next to that, you have another drawer in here which literally tells you this is a private bar and it is sensitive. How sensitive, I don't know, but it ain't worth the risk for me and mines. But within that, you also got bottled waters, some little snickety snacks, and all that. It's an empty drawer beneath it. Some reminders, and then just another empty drawer below in case you want to store your own bottles and everything, obviously unrefrigerated. So here within the living room suite itself, you got your AC controlling unit right here. Pretty simple. Got a couple outlets down there at the bottom. But coming to your side, your first side table here, and have a configuration. I don't know if you can see this. Maybe I should turn this light off. What did the thing? And there it is. Has this configuration here that allows you to operate the lights, scenes, turn things, as well as the climate right here from just this little station here alone. But I also have another one inside the bedroom. Very nice size double-tiered coffee table, L-shaped sofa with a nice little decor in the back, and a multi-angling light here. All right, we'll get into the views. I guess we'll get into the views right now. So this view from the living room, this is a city view room. All right, so you can see some things in the distance. Plenty of tall buildings. The highway, little EY building right there. They used to sponsor the rugby team. I don't know what happened with all that. In the back there, you got the crypto arena. I'll zoom this in too, but I don't want to do it abruptly. So brace yourself, I'm gonna zoom in right fast. All right. You see all the rooftop pools, helicopter landing pads identified by the number 10 and all that. All right, so let me close this blind right here. All right, so to the rest of the living room, we got another seating area right here. There's 2 tables with overhead lighting. Got some storage right here at the desk where the television actually sits on top of. They're all empty, pretty sizable. I'm not gonna open all of them for you, but got some decent depth to them. I'll get into the television functionalities with y'all in a little bit. One of these channels right here is called the Happenings channel. It just literally tells you about what's happening inside the hotel and on the premises as far as events and all those good things. We got a nice little workstation situation right here with a couple of outlets, USBs as well. All right, so right here we got a little closet. We'll get into that in a second. Here's your bedroom view. So our first little side table right here on both sides. So you got reading lights on both sides. This one also has the functional station here, just like they did in the living room. Obviously a telephone, some storage below. King size bed with the seating area right there. Nice plush little soft leather. Nice size television with the remote. I'll get into them functionalities a little later. Then here inside the cabinet, it's got some little storage space. And you got a nice little full-size body mirror right here. Let's come all the way out for you. Full-size body mirror. This view is essentially going to be just about the same as the other one I showed you in the living room. So I'll show you this view here, but also we got this seating area here with some overhead lighting. And then this is the view from the bedroom. Another little city view. I'll zoom in one time for y'all. Nice little view. All right. We'll come on now. We'll get into this closet, and then we'll switch it on over to the restroom facilities. All right. So as soon as you walk into the bedroom, there's gonna be a wardrobe closet here with extra storage space, some drawers. That's the safe. And then the drawer. They also has soft clothes. I like soft clothes. Can't stand doors slamming. You got a laundry bag, ironing board, got your little luggage holder. Got some complimentary house shoes. I guess we'll call these sweet shoes. Ironing board and your robe. You also got an extra pillow and duvet up there. All right, now to the restroom facilities. Now, can't help but see this humongous mirror, and then within that mirror, you also have an embedded television. This is on the Happenings channel right now. Pretty fire. Brush your teeth, catch a view. All right, so you got some Kleenex, a couple glasses, remote to that television with the shared double vanity. Underneath, you got a plethora of towels. All right, some extra TP. And if you're feeling how you feeling, question yourself, there you got a little weight scale right there. Then in this drawer below, you got a hair dryer. That drawer there opens up as well, but it's empty. Got a nice soaking bathtub here with the jets. Plenty of them. You can see them all around here. Yeah, plenty. Controls, and then you also got your body wash and everything out there. Nice size shower. Haven't touched the water pressure or anything like that yet, but if it's not up to par, I'll definitely chop it in here or not. There's a couple of menu items there. You also got your waterfall at the top as well. So last but not least, you got your ensuite commode area with your last vendor toilet paper. This one here though is heated, powered, but they included. Alright, so you got a nice little remote right here for all your settings. That's how you know. And if you know, you know. You'll be sitting there for a minute. Yeah, this is the 1-bedroom king suite, downtown Los Angeles, Intercontinental. Definitely got to check out these amenities because it is amenities galore. Next, we're gonna get into these television functionalities. There's one of the happenings channels. So as I stated, everything is going on amenity-wise, any events, things of that nature held on premises. It's essentially the hotel information page. That was channel 2, and this is channel 1. So it's a nice little background music, or if you actually want to just sit here and watch it, you can do that too. Now, when you go to the menu, this is what the remote looks like, by the way. So when you go to the menu, you'll get these options below for your on-demand options, your Google Cast, live TV, children and family, hotel directory, guest service music. We'll start with the little on-demand section. I don't intend on purchasing nothing, but I'll just show y'all what they have available. So they got Michael, in case you haven't seen it just yet. Let's just check to see how much it's gonna cost. Yeah, right there, I got it. $25.99 plus tax. Then they got some advertisement below. So let's back on up out of that. But you can see, depending on where you stay here, they're gonna have some updated things based on the time period that you may stay here or consider staying here. Google Cast. This TV doesn't have any built-in apps, so what you do is you're gonna get this QR code here, and you're gonna sync up to the Wi-Fi. Oh, that ain't what that was. You're supposed to get a QR code where you can sync up your phone or your device to the television and then cast it, kind of like screen mirroring it from your device to the television. And you got live television, where you just get your TV guide about what's going on the local TV. You can scroll this. It's not self-scrolling, so that's a good thing. So you can go for what you know on that. The hotel, well, let's check out the kids and family. It's the same situation as the on-demand. In case you want to purchase something, it's just that genre. You got your hotel directory, I'm not about to go through all of this, but you have your welcome information, different things about Intercontinental, safety, transportation, so on and so forth. And your guest services in case you want to order you some room service, or order like a, what you want to call, one of those carts or anything like that. Check the weather, get you a nice little wake up call, set your parental controls, language for the television as well. And last but not least, you got your music section. Alright, so you got a list of genres right there that you can choose from. Then you have this situation over here, which is just another advertisement. 24 hours of unlimited listening time. Alternatively, you can just use your SoundCloud, Spotify, so on and so forth. Respectfully. Alright, and that's everything as far as the menu items. This is the Intercontinental, downtown Los Angeles. Amenities galore. Like I said, this room right here is 5828. Nice view. And this hotel has some unique check-in processes and some of the best amenities that I think are available here in downtown LA. You need to see the Hollywood sign from here. It's far out. I can see it, but I don't think I can zoom in that far enough for you to be able to see it. But anyway, this is my second time staying at Intercontinental. The first one was in Bellevue, Washington. It is on the upper tier of the IHG brand. So if you stayed here before, what was your thoughts? What room did you stay in? 'Cause they have some rooms that are well beyond this one king bedroom suite, and we'll see if I get to explore those out. But hopefully y'all got something out of this. If you enjoyed it, if you like, feel free to hit that like, subscribe, share it with your peoples. Till next time, one love, peace. Shaka plenty.